What is going on, you guys? It is Magic Fishing 860 coming at you with yet again another banger. And in this video, you are seeing me and one of my good friends go out to a river that I have fished over the years probably 10 times, 10, maybe 15 times. I have only caught one creek chub. I have fished it for trout. Every time I've gone, I've used anything from spinners, spoons, and worms. And worms is when I caught that creek chub. When I caught that creek chub, I caught nothing else after it. So in this video, we go to this river. Keep in mind, fishing it so much and not doing very well, I grown to not like this river at all. So yeah, we're gonna fish this river and hopefully we do well, guys, and hopefully I can redeem myself and get me a nice fish. Reason why I am in my house and it is dark outside, if you guys can see, is because I didn't really film a proper intro for this video. I filmed an outro, but I didn't film a proper intro. That's why I'm doing it at 1 o'clock in the morning. So thought I'd do that very quick before we get into the whole thing. I hope you guys enjoy. I never caught him trout out of this river ever. Got his first, what is it, wild? Been a little bit slow here, but he got one.
Just trying to get the hook out of its mouth. Oh, she's kicking. Just want to dust her off a little bit to get a nice picture.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good picture.
Yeah. There she goes.
All right, now I gotta get me one. All right, that was most likely a stocked fish, but a cool fish anyway. All right, guys, see my buddy just get that nice fish. I haven't gotten anything yet, so I'm gonna try walking a little bit upstream and I'll get right back to you. There you go. Yeah, I can wait out there a little bit. There we go. I knew I'd get one. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty. Yeah, see this guy? Sweet. He's hooked good. He's hooked good. Come here, come here. Come here. Oh, there he is. Beautiful. My first ever trout from this river. About time. Let's go. I'm gonna take care of this fish. I'll get a photo and I'll get a release on her. All right, you guys, one last look at our beautiful brown trout, Salmo Truta. And there she goes. Finally got one. Oh no. Yeah, I'm up in a tree. I ain't getting that back. All right, you guys, I just broke off my lure, but John's got a nice, what is it, rainbow? I got him.
Yo, he's running like he won't stop, bro. Yeah.
Just let him be. Try to ease him closer to me.
Oops, sorry about that, bro.
Very good. I'm not gonna touch the line. Dude, why is he fighting and he's only like 17 inches? You probably tighten your drag a little bit. Stop fighting, you're not even that big. Stop, 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 stop. You're not even that big and you're packing such a punch. All right, there he is, guys. Nice rainbow. Dude, he's not even that big and he fought like a freaking broodstock.
Let me put some...
Wow. Kind of got the release, but there's Johnny's nice rainbow. Beautiful. Very beautiful. All right, you guys, we're wrapping it up here. My boy got two. I got that one, but like I said, I never caught a fish from that, a trout from that river. I caught one creek trout from that. I could say I caught a fish from it before today, but now I could say I actually caught a trout from it. So I'm happy about that. At least we were able to make it into a video, at least. Wasn't a very long video. I do apologize, but it was a video nonetheless, so. It's getting dark. We're gonna stop fishing. We're getting out of here. The bite kind of died down, as you guys seen. My boy got that one rainbow, and then after that, we worked our way upstream a little bit, fished some more nice pools, but we didn't get nothing. So, gonna wrap it up. If you guys enjoyed, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you soon.